Hello everyone. Countries and their national fruit. So let's start. Afghanistan national fruit pomegranate. Australia raspberry. Bangladesh jackfruit. Azerbaijan pomegranate. Algeria dates. Argentina apple. Brazil national fruit capuca. China kiwi fruit. Canada blueberry. Spain grapes. Philippines national fruit mango. Iran national fruit pomegranate. France national fruit pear. Israel national fruit prickly pear. USA national fruit blueberry. Serbia national fruit plum. Poland national fruit apple. Singapore national fruit durian. Japan Japanese persimmon. Malaysia papaya. UAE national fruit dates. Mexico avocado. South Korea national fruit Asian pear. Germany national fruit apple. Sri Lanka national fruit jackfruit. Greek national fruit olive. Pakistan mango. Thailand mangosteen. New Zealand kiwi fruit. UK national fruit apple. India mango. Turkey sultana grapes. Armenia national fruit apricot. Hungary national fruit orange. Cyprus national fruit banana. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more informative videos.